Alright guys, good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm getting my stuff ready to Uber to a cleaning job. I've got an old broom I'm using, old vacuum. Does pick up. I tested it yesterday. Instead of buying a new one, I got an older one. New mop. Just the basics, very minimal. I've got the microfiber cleaning rags because I haven't had time to clean my other rags. Oops, I did get some stainless steel yesterday. That's important. I've got very minimal, like I said, stuff. Paper towels. This goes far. This goes really far. My partner last time liked this stuff. He got a lot clean with that. He won't be joining me this time. Just the basics, guys. And I've got a couple other things, and that's it to start your cleaning with.